Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up SuperMailer. First, download and install the software from its official website. Once installed, launch the application and begin a new project. You will then configure your sender details, including your name and email address, ensuring your messages appear professional. Finally, select your existing email list or easily import new contacts to start building your campaign audience. This initial setup takes only a few minutes. Now, let's craft your compelling email message. Utilize the intuitive built-in HTML editor to design your content, or simply import a pre-made template for efficiency. Remember to personalize your messages using recipient-specific fields, such as their first name, which can significantly boost engagement. Always include a clear, concise subject line and compelling per-header text. Before moving on, double-check that all your links are fully functional and direct recipients to the correct web pages. With your email designed, it's time to prepare for sending. Select your preferred sending method, whether it's a direct send or via an SMTP server. Crucially, always perform a test send to a small group or your own email address first. This allows you to review the email's appearance and functionality across various email clients, ensuring everything looks perfect. Once satisfied, you can schedule your campaign for immediate delivery or set it for a specific future date and time. After your campaign is sent, the work isn't over. It's vital to monitor key statistics like open rates and click-through rates to understand your audience's engagement. Regularly analyze bounce rates and unsubscribe requests to maintain excellent list hygiene, ensuring your messages reach valid recipients. Always adhere to anti-spam regulations and confirm you have proper recipient consent. Finally, consistently update your contact lists to ensure optimal delivery and continued success for your email marketing efforts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.